Hi! Hi, it's Freya, and today I'm going to make oatmeal cookies. But before that, I'm going to feed Scarlett her snack. Scarlett is going to have her snack. Yes, I make sure to feed her at least one fruit a day to help with her bowel movement. Because her poop sometimes gets hard and nahihirapan siya. So, I make sure to feed her fruits. It can either be orange or papaya. It depends on what's available on our place. But for today, Scarlett is going to eat papaya! You like papaya? Hi! We're going to the kitchen. We're going to eat papaya. You like papaya? Come on. Here's papaya. Papaya. You like papaya? I already cut some papaya. It's on the ref. Give it to me. I'll get your papaya, okay? She's going to eat papaya while I'm baking. Enjoy your papaya. Eat. Eat na eat. Cold. So let's get started. This is a healthy cookie and you can feed this to your kids. And also, for the breastfeeding moms, you can eat this to increase your milk supply. So these are the things that you're going to need. Banana, peanut butter, oats, and since we don't have chocolate chips, I'm going to use this chocolate bar. It's unsweetened chocolate bar. But you can use any chocolate you like or any chocolate that is available at your home. First is to peel the bananas. And mash it with a fork or potato masher. Add a 1/3 cup of peanut butter. Then add 2 cups of oats. I think it needs more peanut butter. It's raining now. I'm going to chop this chocolate bar. Then add the chocolate into the mixture. Preheat the oven. Roll it into balls and put it on a baking pan. Put the cookies and bake at 180 degrees and bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. And here it is, my homemade oatmeal cookies. I made 24 pieces in this recipe. It's just a little bit bitter because of the chocolate. So far, it's good. The sweetness is just right. But for someone who doesn't like dark chocolates, this is not for you. Try to use sweetened chocolate instead. I just use dark chocolate because it is the only chocolate that is available in our home. So that's it for this video. If you want more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you more updated and to get notifications every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye!